Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mama. Papa, what's wrong? Papa can't talk. Oh, no. We must help him.
Let me see, son. You need the red healing berries.
Where do we find them?
They grow by the old oak.
Let's go get them, Mama. You must rest here, Papa. Don't worry, Papa. We'll be back.
Stay close, little one.
I'm right behind you. Which way now, Grandpa?
Follow me this way. Hello there, little birds.
Who are you?
I can help you find berries.
We're looking for red healing berries.
I know a quick way. Something feels wrong. We'll follow, but stay alert.
Okay, Mama.
This way is much faster. This doesn't look right.
Where are we going?
Almost there, little one.
Wait! The oak is behind us!
Oh, no, no. Trust me. This doesn't feel safe.
I'm scared, Mama.
You silly birds. You're lost now.
You tricked us.
Good luck finding your way back.
That mean fox lied to us.
We must find our way out.
Stay calm, everyone. Look, a path.
Good eyes, Coco.
Careful steps, one at a time. I can do it.
We made it out.
Now we must find the oak.
The oak is east of here.
Which way is east?
Follow the morning light.
Let's hurry for Papa. I hope Papa is okay. He's waiting for us, dear.
There it is, the old oak.
I see it. Now where are the berries?
They grow at the base.
I'm looking. Check near the moss. I found them. Red berries.
Perfect. Those are the ones.
These will help Papa's voice. Can I carry some too?
We have plenty now. Let's fly home quickly.
We're coming, Papa.
Fly fast, but stay together.
We're halfway there. My wings are getting tired.
Rest for a minute, Coco.
Thank you, Grandpa.
You escaped! How dare you!
Leave us alone, fox!
Come down here, birds!
He's climbing up. Fly now. Don't drop the berries.
Hold tight to the berries, Coco. No, come back here.
We're too fast for you.
I'll get you next time. There won't be a next time.
Everyone okay? Yes. I still have my berries. See our tree.
Almost home now.
We're back, Papa.
We have the berries. Don't worry, we'll help you now. Eat these healing berries, Papa. Do you feel better, Papa?
Give them time to work.
Is it working?
The berries need more time.
Rest no, Papa. Will Papa be okay?
Yes, child. Have faith.
Sleep well, my love. The day is almost over.
Tomorrow will be better.
Time for bed, Coco.
I want to stay with Papa.
We all stay together tonight.
Good idea, Grandpa.
I can speak.
Wake up. Papa can talk.
Really? Really? Papa? Thank you, my family.
Papa. Your voice is back.
The berries worked perfectly. I missed talking so much. Thank you for saving me.
We're family. We help each other.
You were so brave, Coco.
I wanted to help you, Papa.
You knew exactly what to do. That's what grandfathers are for. Good morning, beautiful family!
Good morning, Papa.
My voice feels strong again.
You sound wonderful, dear.
Tell me everything!
We met a tricky fox. The fox led us the wrong way.
That sounds scary.
Grandpa used the sun to guide us.
Don't trust strangers too quickly.
I'll remember that.
I'll take better care of myself.
We'll all stay healthy together.
Let's find some worms.
Yes, I'm hungry.
It feels good to fly again. And to hear you talk.
Look at all these worms. This one is mine.
This tastes extra delicious today.
Everything is better when we're together.
I love you all so much.
We love you too, Papa.